Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Hey, I paint monsters for a living. Come on with me. Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. We're in Lubbock, Texas at Adventure Park. Throwing down for my boy Alec, getting the fun house going. So we spent a huge day yesterday. I had a video going, and then due to some error, it all got erased. So I am redoing it. So I am here. Hello. So let's get this bad boy finished. We're praying that the rain holds off because we're underneath a canopy that is not waterproof. And we gotta get this thing done. We gotta go take a nap, and then we're driving through the night. 1,000 miles to Atrox. Boo-wah! So hey, thanks for coming on board. Like, subscribe, and hey, we'll see you on the next video. You take care.